Good night, everyone. For everybody who is just tuning in, I'm trying my best to do like a relationship hotline called Dr. Kirk. So if you have any relationship questions or if you need dating advice or anything like that, call in and let's talk about it. Disclaimer, I am not an actual doctor or a licensed therapist. We're just doing this for fun, okay, people? Hello, good night.
Good night.
Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
Alright, so if you're in a long distance relationship, right?
Oh, Jesus, I hate these questions. Okay, go ahead.
You're in a long distance relationship and you call your partner like every other hour just to ensure that, check up on the person or whatever the case might be, because I just had my son, so I'm kind of going through PPD. But you call the person every other hour, but the person continuously saying like, you're annoying. How would you deal with that? Knowing that they're not really used to being in a relationship where somebody calls so often.
Yeah, once every hour is kind of excessive. I'm just saying. It's a bit much. Like if you
like
go ahead.
you call every other hour and then person say you're annoying and then that's supposed to call so much time and then you don't call like at all because the person works every day all day. So you don't call during the day, but when you reach home you're expecting the person to call you or you call the person, but yet still it's still annoying. Don't you think something is wrong?
Slightly, yeah, but like the every hour thing, I can't get over that part. Like I understand texting each other. So I understand texting each other like consistently, because voice note.
Nope, he prefers to call.
Okay, if he prefers to call and then no, he doesn't prefer to call that much anymore. I don't know. That's kind of weird.
Exactly, kind of confusing, right?
Well, I don't know. Were you calling him this often before?
Yeah, and he was okay with it.
And the son that you just had, is it his son?
Yeah.
And you're in a long distance relationship. Wow.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, just ask him wagwan. Just straight up ask him wagwan. Yeah. What is going on? Like you outline the facts that you've done this before, so this is nothing new. Right? You guys have been talking consistently for that long, for that often, and that frequency.
Yeah.
So what changed?
And it's certainly not me.
Is it that he got a new job or he's doing some new hobby or anything like that?
No.
Yeah, then ask him what's up. Ask him what's up.
Something sneaky. I feel like that's something sneaky.
Listen, we don't accuse people without proof. Okay, so don't
prove like, how is it that you go to a party? You go to a party and some you have a party where girls are there dancing and stuff. And how is it that you're a married man and you're unreached for the next girl asks?
Maybe he was drinking. I'm not making excuses for him, but like maybe it was one of those accidental moments. I don't know. You see, because I don't know the context of it. And I don't know what you saw. I can only hope for the best right now.
I mean, at the end of the day, like, he always tell me, say, yo, I'm not going nowhere and I'm not this and I'm not that. But if you do stuff and you go put it in my face, that means, say, yo, that's a disrespect. But he always reassure me, say, yeah, you are the one because we're engaged to be married next year. So it's like, yes, everything happened so fast, and I think I'm kind of into it.
Maybe a little bit, just a little bit. With the knowing that you call every hour, there's a slight hint of insecurity there. Just a slight hint.
Oh.
Is either that, but like I said, just talk to him directly. Ask for his honest reason why he's finding it annoying, even though it's not anything new.
Yeah.
All right. And then the whole touching the girl bottom thing, him better say it's an accident, because that is not a good
Alright,
look.
so him touch the bottom, then him pull away him hand, then him go for it again, but the girl get up and stop down. And then the screen record it and show him, and he was like, no, whenever I touch it, we did not go touch it, but then we no bother. And I'm like, dude, the proof is right here. You did touch it and you went again, and then she gets up, so that's why I never do it again. Like, what are you talking about?
I don't know what to tell you, darling. I don't know what to tell you. I'm just hoping for the best. But yeah, honest and open discussion. Definitely needed.
Yeah. Alright, thanks, mate. I guess.
All right. Probably. All right. Take care.
Yeah.
Hello. Good night.
Yeah, so my relationship problem is
Mm-hmm.
in-laws
Mm-hmm.
is ripping my family apart.
The in-laws are ripping up your family. How so?
We're incompatible.
You and the in-laws are incompatible, or you and the partner?
In-laws.
You and the in-laws are so okay. All right. How are they, as you said, ripping your family apart? What are they doing exactly? Is what I'm asking.
So my partner refuses to move out from their place, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I am not going to really criticize much, but they have some bad ways, as the Jamaican call it,
Mm-hmm.
cantankerous ways,
Mm-hmm.
and I decided to move out, but the individual refuses to move out. They agree with everything the family is doing, right? They don't see a problem with it.
I'm
And
not.
each time I talk about it, it starts an argument. So,
That seems unreasonable on his part, to be honest. Hello?
yes, indeed it is.
Right, so I'm saying that sounds unreasonable on his part, because if you're his wife, right? You're his wife?
Common law.
Common law wife. Alright, close enough. You're his common law wife, and oh no, really chipping in and out. Right, are you hearing me? Hello?
Yes, I am hearing you. Quite fine.
Okay, great. Right. So you're his common law wife, and he's not listening to your needs. That's very unreasonable of him. Because clearly you have told him about this problem, and every time you bring it up, he is making a fuss about it, right?
Yes.
And he's not making any compromise to help you solve this problem either.
No.
And he's not making any effort to communicate with his family that the way they are treating you is not correct.
No. No such
And
thing.
exactly. And if you talk to the in-laws directly, then that causes an argument as well, I'm assuming.
Yes, it does.
Okay, so yeah, it's just unreasonable on his part. So either you give him an ultimatum in terms of like, you need your boundaries and needs satisfied to solve the problem that you both have, since this is a relationship and he is your common law husband. If you have a problem, he should see it as his problem as well.
The entire family, right?
Mm-hmm.
The type of person, just when you're talking to them, they just shut you out, right?
Yeah,
Like,
just
they
cut
don't
them
try to
off.
take any advice, anything.
I would just cut them off. I don't need that. You or I don't need that stress in your life. You really don't. Because at the end of the day, do you owe them anything?
No.
Exactly. You don't owe them anything, so they don't deserve your time or energy. Do you have a child with this man?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is the child living with you?
Yes, he's here.
Okay. Is he financially supporting the child and visiting the child and taking care of the child?
He's supporting the child, but he hasn't visited much.
Okay, then talk to him about that.
Yes, I will.
Right. So talk to him about that and just tell him what your needs are. And if he's a respectable and reasonable man, he'll try to make a compromise to meet you in the middle to satisfy your needs.
Okay, Kirk. I'll definitely try to speak to you about it. Alright?
Alrighty. And if he doesn't do it for you, tell him to do it for the kid.
Yeah.
All right. I hope that helps.
All right.
All right. Take care. That's a bit of a sad situation. Because if the man is being unreasonable, if he doesn't like the mother of his child anymore, the least he can do is at least be there as a father to his own child. Yeah, but at the end of the day, like, ugh. Does your family come before your child and your wife? For me, the answer is no. My child comes first. I mean, I don't have a child right now, but if I were to have a child, my child comes first. And then the wife. And then family after. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
Kirk was stressed right out.
I want now.
Hey, Mr. I have a man.
Mm-hmm.
Stop cheat on my left, right, and center.
Why are you keeping this man there? Why are you keeping this man?
The money.
You're keeping the man for the money.
That's it.
So then what's your issue? What is the issue? That's what I want to know. Because if you are keeping the man for the money and you're getting the money, there shouldn't be an issue.
But Kirk, I mean, as money supposed to have.
No. Listen. It don't work that way. Let me tell you why it don't work that way. If you have him and you are only there because of his money, right? And him giving you his money, you're good. If you had told me something else, other things of why you're with this man, then that's reasonable. But your needs are being satisfied and you're not happy about it because he is pursuing and dealing with other women.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Then is either one, you find a man that is not going to cheat on you, or you keep this one that is giving you money, which is what you want.
Anyways, Kirk, we got a different story.
Alright. Okay, sure, go ahead.
So, I have an ex.
Mm-hmm.
And I care about the boy don't stop calling.
Mm-hmm.
So he called me and some blocked him.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know how to get rid of the man.
You block and delete him every time? That's the nice way.
Every time.
You could try cussing him out. You could try that, but what I had in mind is more disgusting. But let's not go there tonight, shall we?
Kirk, that's right. The song of Jada sing about the
That could possibly be a reason why he's calling you. That could be a reason, yes.
Okay.
And so? Do you still have feelings for this man? Do you still have feelings for this ex?
No, but his body was so good.
Jesus Christ. Okay, so clearly you and him enjoyed each other in that regard. Oh boy. I don't know what to tell you there. Listen, you have a man that is giving you money and that's what you want from him and you're good with that. And then now you have an ex that won't stop calling you because you both enjoy each other's sexual energy and compatibility. Pick one. You can't have it all unless you go into like an open relationship or something. But pick one.
Alright, Kirk, thanks for the advice.
Alright, it's all. Hello.
Okay, it's now my question. But the person's in here and they asked me to ask, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, so
she's in a relationship with someone that is of a different race and culture.
He's in a
And her
relationship with someone
mother-in-law,
a different race and culture.
yeah, and her mother-in-law is giving her a hard time. She doesn't want to offend her mother-in-law, so she wants to know what steps she can take or how to handle the situation.
All right, so I've been faced with this problem before, and it depends on her priority. I would ask her the question, which one is more important to you? If you truly love this man, and you are happy with him, is your mother's happiness more important than your own?
It's a matter of the mother showing a good face in front of her son, and when he's not around, it's a different story.
What do you mean?
So like, okay, like she's nice, she's very nice when her son is there, but when they're alone together, like she's very vicious and bad towards her. But when she tries to talk to him, he's in disbelief.
So she's like a two-faced person then.
Right. Because like moms are a sensitive topic.
So the mother-in-law is for the son's mother.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I thought it was the girl's mother-in-law for some reason. So the son and the mother doesn't like the daughter-in-law because she's from a different race and culture, and she acts nice only when the son is around.
Right.
Why the daughter don't talk to the son to talk to his mother?
She did, but he's in disbelief because remember he's seen his mother being all nice to her in front of his face. But when he is at work, that's when the nightmare starts. Like basically she is a monster-in-law.
Then move out.
Why would you say move out?
Because I'm not staying in a house with a mad woman. Why would you stay in a house with a mad person?
I get what you're saying, but
No. Let me just get straight to the point. I am a big fan of cutting out toxic people from my life. Cutting without hesitation, regret, or anything. Me will dash away you. I don't care how many years I've known you for. I don't care who you're related to. I don't care if you're my mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, dog. I don't care.
Kurt, I don't think you understand what you talk
listen,
like that.
Listen. I do not care how long you know the person for or who the hell they are. They could be Barack Obama. They could be Andrew Holiness. They could be anybody. I don't business. If you are toxic, you need to be cut out of my life immediately, without hesitation.
So you're saying that she should move out and leave?
I'm saying she should cuss out the ass woman, cuss out her ass, and then move out. That's what I'm saying.
Well, she can hear you.
Good.
Right here.
I hope she understands. Cuss out the ass woman, and then move out. Tell her about her nasty ways and her nasty parts. That's all kind of bad words in there.
Behave.
I'm not behaving. No. I'm a huge fan of cutting out toxic people. Okay? We don't need to be voluntarily suffering under the oppression of a toxic person in our lives. We don't. We don't owe them anything if they are toxic to us. Why treat someone with respect who doesn't respect you back?
That's right. That's true.
Right? If I'm not getting the respect that I deserve, bye. is the nicest thing I will tell you. And I am very capable of telling you much worse than bye.
I think I have to translate some of the stuff you said.
Okay, great.
I don't think
Well,
you know what that share means. But thank you. She heard you. She's right in here.
okay, great. I hope that helped. All right, good night, Marsha.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, exactly. Like, why? It don't matter if he believes or not. It's up to her to take a stand for, being treated badly. It's not right. Hello, good night.
Night, Kirk.
Thank you for calling Dr. Kirk. How does your relationship hurt?
Yeah, Kirk, and a relationship problem, You understand
Sure.
what I said?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but more you help me with this because clearly stressed out. I don't know if something wrong with me or what. I find myself no one a man. I just be a ties me, I think I'm on the guy. I'm not see them, it's like me in love.
What is this?
Like mad. Me just laugh so like my mad. Me just feel good.
Oh my gosh. Oh Jesus. Oh. Yeah, you see Uno in the comments? Uno set me up with this one. I know Uno set me up with this one. Oh boy. Alright, what is it that you want exactly? Because
No, me not want you to more to do. More you can make something wrong with me or what. Me don't know, but it seems like something wrong with me.
well, it depends what you think is right and what you think is wrong. Because if you're not attracted to men, then you're just not. Some people are, what they call it, asexual?
Yeah.
Right. And there's nothing wrong with that if you're asexual. That's fine. I know a few of them. That's okay. They live their happy lives anyways. As long as you're happy and healthy.
No, for true, because I actually say reflect, flex, Kirk.
Mm-hmm.
It's like each store me going on to them, but just buy them so. Man, I look me, we don't want a man. We just the other day my sister sent me a suitcase and I'm carrying with some stuff. I'm going, go pick it up all because she tell me if they want the land there. Can you believe
Jesus.
Boss,
Yes, I.
Boss, go pick up.
Well,
just
clearly.
I'm sick or something wrong with me, I don't know what.
Clearly, you have a passion for these things. Clearly.
You believe so?
Yes. I think you just enjoy the toys. Yeah. You enjoy the toys more than you enjoy an actual person. And if that's what you like, then that's what you like. If that's what you think you need, then yeah, go to church and talk to the pastor. Get little prayer. Okay, I hear you. Well, you can't force yourself to like somebody. That's the thing, right? If you do find yourself attracted to a man, then awesome, great. But if not, then you can't force yourself to do something that you don't want to.
Sometimes I feel worried for myself and I have some type of speed there. The speed where them have me until they say it's like it goes low and then it goes medium and then it go high and then go higher and then it just zap.
Listen. I know exactly what you're talking about.
So me I want
I know exactly what you're talking about, but that is not what I'm talking about right now.
Like, because the man tell me good like your eggs, something with them, something can damage your eggs or something and all of them something. But right now, sometimes me say I'm worried, sometimes, and sometimes we just not care.
Well, hello. No, don't damage yourself now. Don't damage yourself.
I'm gonna know for the more.
Uh,
People in the comment me begin to
But yeah, as I said, if that's what you enjoy, then keep on enjoying yourself.
me I work with Kirk. Yes, me I work with Kirk.
Yeah, keep enjoying yourself. If you find somebody who you're attracted to in the long run, then awesome. You know, you can pursue that then. But if you can't force yourself to like somebody if you don't like them. That's really it. That's like me telling somebody to drink, I don't know, some tea, some green tea, and they taste it and they don't like it, and I have to force them to drink it down. No, that's not gonna work.
True.
Not gonna work.
Me I work with you too, my Kirk.
All right, darling. I hope that helped.
My skin.
All right. Take care.
Alright, thanks. You can't sleep good now.
Oh, jeez. Una set me up. I hate you. I hate you all. Whoever told me to add her, I hate Una. Una set me up. What the heck? Ay, ay, ay. Wow. All right. I bid you all a good night. If you enjoyed the show, please like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube. Until then, everyone, have a good night and take care.